Today I am reviewing the 2-pack digital timers. This is the box. And when you open it, out comes 1, 2 timers, a little registration card, and the instruction paper. The timer measures about, I would say, right about 3 inches wide maybe. And it's about 2.5 inches tall. To cut the timer on, there's a little lever here on the side, and you press the lever up and the timer of the face of the timer lights up. So here's how the timer works. As you can see, it has a large numbers on its face, which is helpful. On the back, it has a magnet. So like if you're using it in the kitchen, you can attach it to something that a magnet would stick to. Here is where you put the battery. So you slide this down, and it's a AAA battery. The timers don't come with a battery, so you got to make sure you get a battery to use in them, because they don't come with a battery. And then this has a stand, so you take this and you can stand the timer up, which is kind of nice. I like that. You can sit it on a shelf somewhere, balance it on your hand, whatever. So the way the timer works is it works like a stopwatch, and it works like a timer. So first you can just hit start, and it'll start just timing you, and you can let it run, and you can time whatever your activity is. And the way you stop it is just by pressing stop again, or after you clear it by pressing both of these buttons, you can use it as a countdown. So we'll let this count down. You press this to stop and start. Let it count down, and you can use it that way. It does have a loud beeping feature. So like if you're using it to cook and you're in another room, it's loud and you'll probably be able to hear it. And again, you press this to stop. It does have a memory, so whatever you set it for the last time, if you press stop, it'll return to that countdown setting. I think. There we go. So you press stop, and it goes right back to whatever you set it for previously, which is nice. So, great product.